In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging out of Gmail on your iPhone or Android device. If you're concerned about your account security or want to switch to a different Gmail account, knowing how to properly log out is essential. The process is quick and easy, so just follow my steps. Now the first step is to open the Gmail app on our device. I'm logged into my Gmail account and I want to log out from this specific account. So what I have to do is to tap on my profile picture in the top right corner of the screen, and you're going to see a little list of all the Google accounts that you have on the device. The next step is to click on the little button called Manage Accounts on this device right here. And a menu will pop up that looks like this, and in order to sign out or log out from a specific Gmail account, simply choose the account which you want to log out and tap on the Remove from this device button below it. Now keep in mind that you won't only remove the account from the Gmail app, but from all Google apps on your device like YouTube and other. If you are sure that you want to remove the account from this device, then tap on the Remove button and you will be logged out on iPhone or Android. And it will automatically open the emails from other Google accounts if you have them on your phone. And that's essentially how you can sign out from the Gmail app on your mobile device. If you liked this video and it was helpful to you, then consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.